Today I will show you how you can use Deepseek V4 Flash model inside your Visual Studio Code. First go to your favorite browser and search Opencode. Officially Opencode Zen provide Deepseek V4 Flash inside your Visual Studio Code. First go to the opencode.ai, then create your account. If you want to use inside your terminal, then install Opencode. Otherwise, in today's video, I will show you how you can use through the extension. Here Opencode Zen will be available. Opencode Zen provide all this model. Get started with Opencode Zen. If you are using it for the first time, then create your account here. Then in the model section, you can find Deepseek V4 Flash for free inside the Opencode. To use it, go to the API key section and create the API. I have already created. Then back to the Visual Studio Code, go to the extension section and search for Opencode. Opencode for VS Code SST will be available here. This is the official extension. Install it. After you have installed, then it will be reflected here at the top right corner. This is the Opencode interface. From here you can easily use Opencode. Before use, first you need to connect Opencode Zen and you need to set your API key. Type /connect, hit enter. Opencode Zen will be reflected here. Again press enter. Then provide the API key that you have created here. Again press enter. Then you are ready to use. Search for the free model. All the free model provided by Opencode will be reflected here. Currently Mimo, North Mini, Nemotron and Deepseek V4 Flash will be available. Select it and start to interact. Hi. It will quick as well. It will respond in 3 seconds. Model is it. Now it will respond in 1.9 seconds. Deepseek V4 Flash free model provided by Opencode. If you are a student and code 2-3 hours a day, then it will more than sufficient for you. Before start to code, you can make a plan as well. Click on tab, then your mode will be changed from plan to build like this. If you want to build some application, first plan it and then build it. If you want to change any specific file, then mention using @. Otherwise, directly interact with it. I'll give one task. Clear my previous code. Build one counter application using HTML, CSS and JS. Let's see how much time it will take and its performance. Now it will complete it within 8.6 seconds. It will replace my all previous code and create one simple counter application. Let's check. Okay, can you make proper design and work like a real counter application? Here I have set max. If you set max, then it will respond fast and it will take more token. If you can see it here, currently it will show 7% token will be used in just 100 line of code. Then don't worry about it. If you close this and reopen, then your token will be reset. I'll show it. Just wait a second. Now it will be perfect as compared to the previous. Now it will. Good. I'll close it and I'll reopen. Then if you can check it, the token is starting from the 4%. Initially it will display 4%. Okay. By this way you can easily use Deepseek model and some other model provided by Opencode inside your Visual Studio Code. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you want to use this type of free model, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Happy coding. We will meet you on the next video.